Hi, my name is Maldonado, and this is my birthday polynomial project. So my birthday is February the 18th, 2000, and these are my numbers, 2182000. So I had to flip them according to the instructions, which I did, and I made my polynomial function, and I chose this one, 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus x plus 2. So what I did here, as you can see, is that I grabbed random numbers and plugged in them as x in my equation to get y, and then I used those to make my graph. As you can see here, that's my beautiful graph. And then domain is blue and range is purple. So domain is negative infinity to positive infinity, and range is negative infinity to positive infinity. So the purple arrows are my range, which is the vertical axis, the vertical line. So as my range stretches and stretches, my domain gets bigger and wider and wider. And since it has no constraints, they're both infinity or negative infinity, as I said before. Okay, the y-intercept. The way you can find a y-intercept is grabbing your function, this is my function right there, and you substitute the x for 0, which is what I did, and I got 2. So that is my y-intercept, 0, 2. As you can see here, I show you in the graph, in the cloud, that it's 0, 2. All real number zeros. These are really easy to find when you have a graph because they're located in the x-axis. They're either crossing it or touching it, and those are your all real number zeros. See where the sun is. Okay. So all relative minimums and maximums. The way you can find minimums and maximums is that they are the points in which a function changes its increasing or decreasing behavior that can be used to find the relative minimum or the relative maximum. So as you can see here, my relative maximum is negative 2.603, 18.328. And my minimum is 0, 2, which happens to be my y-intercept also. So description of end behavior. The graph falls to the left and rises to the right. Okay, so I use the leading coefficient test to find out the description of my end behavior. So according to one of the rules is that if the leading coefficient is positive, which mine is, and it's 2, and the degree of the leading coefficient is odd, then the graph falls to the left and rises to the right, as mine does here. So this is how my polynomial function reflects me. As you can see here, here's my function, and there's a bookshelf because I love to read, and here's college algebra, which is my favorite subject, and R because I love to draw and paint, heart and head because I want to make decisions with both of these, heart and head, and I love knowledge, I love to learn. And my heart means, the heart that I drew there means loyalty, and these music notes symbolize the way I love music, such as classical, alternative rock. And here's the moon because I love looking at the moon. It's very beautiful. It's like my spirit planet. And here's my rune, which means knowledge. Is from a book, a fiction book. And here's pizza. I love pizza. There's like no question to it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. And this is my written statement. It's basically what I said throughout the video. Thank you.